visit Filipino and today we are done quarters. Today our topic is Peace Education as Transformative Education Chapter 2. So first we have our can you get your copy? Sige, meron do you have copyright? Yes. First is, we should have our review. What did you learn in the previous lesson? So we have names here, then you will be the one to answer the question. Okay? You are the lucky one. Nicole is not here. Nicole from math. What did you learn in the previous lesson? What did you learn in the previous lesson?
Framework,
Okay. Nicole learned the cultural framework about culture of peace. Now let's have our motivation. It is what we call spinning game. Direction. Please read in your copy.
Get the scrambled word and let the spinning wheel decide who is the lucky one to answer.
So this is the scrambled word. We have 5. Now, the number 1 scrambled word you will arrange in. So, mag-spin tayo kung sino ang mag-arrange. Sige, dito ako. Here I will stand in front of you.
yes.
First, Danny, what can you create from the first scrambled word? Fish. Next. Next word, please arrange it. You're the lucky one to answer. Tahali. What can you create from the number 2 scrambled words?
The number is the
Transformative, very good. Now, the number 3, luckily to answer. You are the lucky one to answer. Aryan Ray 1.
Where, ma'am?
Number 3, scrambled words.
So that is education, ma'am. So education, everyone is
Okay, very good. Education. And the number 4, please arrange. Carsten.
Primitive naman.
Carsten, please stand.
Alternative of
Alternative. Sige, titignan natin mamaya. And last word, please arrange it, Miss or Mr.
Borneo.
Miss Prosperoso, what can you create from our last word? Imperative. So, very good job. Sige. Our scrambled word is peace, transformative education, alternative, and imperative. So now, our next activity is for the lucky one. In your own understanding, divide the following words and I will bullet
I will pick some.
I will pick some names and you will the one to answer.
You will be.
You will be the one. Okay, we have Angel May and ikaw sa Peace. And next is si Riza May. Nasaan ba siya? Riza May, ikaw sa Transformative. And Jay, ikaw sa Education. And last, Muhaiden. Sa Education si Jay. Wala si Muhaiden. Wala din si Seti. Mariel, ikaw sa Alternative and Imperative. What can you say based on your own understanding? Yes. Kayo po muna, Angel. Yes. What is this? Silence, please. Yes. Let's give 3 claps to Angel. This is absent of for the next transformative Riza May.
For me, transformative is transforming something about someone. Kailangan permanent na siya.
Okay. Let's give 3 claps to Riza May. And last, education. What can you say about education, Jay?
Early education is the key to success. So, of course, what we're doing right now, like, we go to school to educate and to learn, of course.
Okay. And last, Maria, what can you say about alternative and imperative?
Okay, base education is practical and alternative is base education challenges the long and believe that was cannot be avoided. While the ethical imperative is the principles of imperative are done. Please shut your mouth. Highly cards for actualization.
Okay, let's give Maria 3 claps. So, Mariel, you did a great job. It's okay. So, today our topic is chapter 2, Peace Education as Transformative Education. So, what is peace education? So, meron naman kayo dyan topic, susunod nyo lang ako ha. Peace education or an education that promotes a culture of peace is essentially transformative. It cultivates the knowledge-based skills, attitudes, and values that seek to transform people's mindset, attitudes, and behavior. Pag sinabi natin yung ramifications, meron na rin
When we say, what?
sa next sentence, this education will first invite the youth or adult learners to be aware of and to understand the ramifications and roots of a particular conflict and what possible alternative might be. Pag sinabi natin ramifications, it means consequence of an action. So it will be the outcome of our action. So, pag sinabi natin peace education, na-promote tayo ng culture of peace na kung saan lahat tayo is makapag-gain dito ng mga advantages in terms of cultivating our knowledge, our skills, and even though our behavior, right? Do you understand me?
Yes.
Pag sinabi naman natin dito, ay babasahin niyo, please read all the lang ha, in your own eyes.
Where, ma'am?
Lahat na nandito sa definition of what is peace education because I will explain to you directly what will be the meaning of peace education. So, peace education, it means we ensure holistic approach. Pag sinabi natin holistic approach, it is pangkalahatang decision ba ay makalasan ng decision, hindi natin tinitignan yung isang basis lamang na magiging outcome ng ating decision, kundi pangkalahatang approach yung ating ginagamit. So, according to Francis Gibbs and Alice Redmond, peace education is skill building. What does it mean? It means it's all about empowers children to find creative and non-destructive ways to settle conflict and live in harmony with themselves, others, and their world. Peace education, yung sinabi ko kanina, peace education is holistic. Ibig sabihin yan, is holistic. Pag sinabi natin peace education, hindi natin tinitignan lamang yung ating sarili na pakanan. In which, kapag ginagawa natin ng isang bagay, if we do the right one thing, no?
I know that.
Okay, magpipili na tayo Lagis na muna tayo. Pag ginagawa natin yung isang bagay, hindi lamang tayo, hindi yung sinasabi natin, plan or decision making na ginagawa natin is, hindi lang natin siya sinasarili. Ibig sabihin na, tinitignan din natin kung ano ang magiging outcome nito sa ating kapwa at maaari sa ating community. Yes, what is peace of education? Now let's proceed to why educate for peace.
You guys are. Yes.
For global reminds us that this education has important social causes.
What can you, how can you pronounce the
Where?
ma'am? It seeks to transform. It seeks to transform.
6, 7, 8. It's numbers.
Dito na tayo sa next page.
Social structures as part of thought and activity. So, according to Betty and according to Lovely, through this intervention and help to promote language. So, sa pamamagitan din ng education, mariresolve natin yung mga conflict and yung mga tawag dito, yung mga conflict and then yung mga
Yes.
Okay. Okay lang. So do you understand why educate for peace?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. In order for us to,
What are yan? In order for us to what?
according to the PPT, changing social structure, it will change our perspective in life, of course.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay,
That's what
perfect.
it should be.
Sa through peace education, help us para ma-enlighten yung minds natin. Alam natin kung ano yung mga tama at yung mali.
Yes. Pag sinabi natin, makinig dito sa harapan, why educate for peace? We need to be educated for peace because peace enriches our communities and individual lives as it directs us to embrace diversity and support one another to the fullest extent possible. Do you understand?
Yes.
Perfect.
You don't think what's the offer of that phrase?
Okay, next, let's discuss the peace education is a practical alternative. So, what comes in your mind if you heard practical alternative? Yes, girl.
Your Honor.
Oh, Lord. Ikaw ang sasagot. Jasper. Jasper. What comes in your mind if you hear alternative, practical alternative from the word practical?
Jasper.
And yes, Jasper, kasi practical ka na tao, hindi na ito bang mabigay ng thought about practical alternative in terms of peace education?
English.
It's okay, you can speak Filipino.
Probably mga may practical na pinag-ibig. Para sa akin mga ito yung ano mga kaso, yung iniisip mo yung mas magaling pa magaling pa
So, narinig niyo ba ang sinabi ni Jasper?
Yes.
Ano yung sinabi niya?
paraan na pagaling ang buhay.
Mga so, peace education become a practical alternative in a way of involving participation of young people in expressing their own ideas and cooperating with each other in order to eliminate violence in our individual lives, in our communities, as well as in our society. Yes?
Yes.
Yes or yes?
Yes.
Perfect. Now let's, yes. People, you may go.
Are you sure?
Now let's discuss peace education is an ethical imperative. After we discuss this ethical peace education is an ethical imperative, we will differentiate what will be the difference in terms of practical alternative and an ethical imperative. So be attentive, please. Okay? So, meron di ba kayong copy? So, I will explain what is education is an ethical imperative. So, as we say, ethical, it means pertaining to right and wrong conduct. It is being accordance to the rules or standards. So, pag sinabi natin ethical, meron tayong mga standard or rules na sinusunod.
Yes.
So, in terms naman sa peace education, we seek education purpose will give us a long run of practical benefits that we seek. So, peace education challenges the long-held belief that wars cannot be avoided. Diba? Hindi natin maiiwasan yung mga violence ba yan, mga situation na tulad na gulo. Pero alam natin kapag sinabi natin ethical is we have to respect the principles include the unity and value of life, not only to the human life but also other life forms like nature, respect for human dignity, non-violence, justice, and love as a social ethic. So this principle is highly encouraged for actualization because we are expected to bring us the common good. So do you get it?
Yes.
Yes or yes?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Mama, you can get for yes, please.
Wait lang
That's what you're. Wait, we heard.
So this will be our last part. We have wrong,
Wrong way.
So this will be our last topic about the skill of knowledge. It's pronounced skill. Skill of knowledge, skills and attitude of values. The figure right here. So the knowledge content areas, so on and so forth will be discussed by the next reporter. Sorry. Okay lang, sorry.
You know what, Mom? You're so red.
Sige. Pag sinabi natin skill of knowledge, skills and attitude and values, it's all about, pakibasa mo yun sa ano nyo? Sa list. Sige, 1, 2, 3, read.
The list is not exhaustive and
list of knowledge areas, skills, and attitude and values. Okay, this will be the figure and the content of the figure will be discussed by the next reporter. But before we will discuss, let's reflect. Before they will discuss, right, the scheme of knowledge, skills, and attitude. Let's first, yung sabi ko kanina, let's identify what will be the difference between this education is a practical alternative and this education is an ethical imperative. So, magbubulot kami dito. And we have a quiz. So, ito, quiz natin. Don't laughter.
Okay, ma'am.
Be serious. Alex, pero ang sasagot ay nasa kanan mo. Ang nasa kanan ang sasagot. Kim. So, Kim, what will be the difference of this education as a practical alternative to this education as ethical imperative?
So based on my own idea, the difference between this education as a practical alternative and this education as an ethical imperative. So when you say practical alternative, this is your subjective thoughts. So it is your own opinion about what is this education and how to avoid it. But when we say this education as an ethical imperative, so when my objective siya, we have that standards and goals to obey so that yes, we can achieve that. Yes.
Perfect. Let's give 5 claps to Kim. Kim. So now let's proceed to our what do you call this one? To our application through a game, magical box with a quiz. So we have 4 questions and 3 questions. So first, please read the question number 1.
How does this education concept affects your daily life
As a youth. Ikaw ang kaswerte. Sasagot. Kathleen. Pero, ikaw ang pipili na nakakulay itim na damit ang siyang sasagot. Maaari lang tumayo ang color and wear a person who wearing black t-shirt. Okay, please stand up. Anything basta may color na black na lang. Then Kathleen will pick who will be the one to answer. Si Kuya ay si DJ ang isa.
Pilihan na
Isa lang. Sino sa kanila? Okay, please, okay, how does quiet please? Joanna, how does this education concept affects your daily life as a youth?
So the peace education concept affects my life on my daily life. It helps me in everyday life, like handling how to give peace of mind to myself and to others. So in the concept here, we have the attitudes, right? This concept mo, diba? So in the attitudes, reflecting to myself how I handle it to others and how to accept what is reality. And for the skills is how I can apply the skills that I have in daily life. And for our knowledge is in applying also what could be the daily life activities that I could rely the knowledge that I have for daily life.
Okay. Let's give Joanna a welcome clap. So do you understand the answer of this teacher? So do you reflect on yourself how you will relate the concept of this education concept in your daily life as a youth?
Yes, we need to always think.
Yes.
Widen our imaginations.
Yes.
So this education concept as a youth, it serves as our guide in terms of enhancing our personality, but Joanna can enhancing our skills in terms of sa knowledge natin, sa skills or attitudes natin at paging sa ating behavior. Now, the second question, please read po lahat sabay.
How important is education in building or shaping your relationship with others?
Okay, ikaw ang maswerteng sasagot.
Kim Irish.
Tapos sa si Kim Irish ka naman.
Einstein.
John Lu.
Wala siya.
Nako. Ang tuwis niya ng tawag na nakasulat dahil mabait ako ang sasagot. Ikaw ang sasagot. Sa question number 2. Opo. How important is education in dealing or shaping your relationship with others? Everyone, listen to Tabo.
The importance of it is important. The importance of this education in dealing or shaping relationship with others is that we will know that how to deal with our non-socialized others morally or ethically, so that they will not fail us.
Okay, response C, Tabo. Next clip. Tabo, 5 claps. Okay, another answer please. Yes, Alex.
So how important is education in or shaping relationship with others? So for me, as far as we know that this education is looking for something, looking for the roots of something, roots of a problem, into the problem, and then provide the non-violent ways in order to address that problem and to attain peace. We all know that this education is acquiring knowledge and values, developing skills and attitudes to have a behavior, what kind of behavior? A behavior will lead to build a harmonious relationship with others and the natural environment. So the essence of having this education is to build a harmonious relationship. You have already the knowledge that you studied. All you need to do is to build a harmonious relationship with others. That's all.
Perfect. Let's give 5 claps to Alex. Last question, please read.
How can this education empower individuals to challenge injustice and advocate for change in the community?
Okay. Ikaw ang sasagot. Mula sa Evan. Lloyd, pero ang twist, ang nasa iyong harapan ang sasagot. Sige, next quiz na lang kasi natapos na si Marian. Pumili ng iyong kaibigan na siyang sasagot. Kaibigan? Oo. Kaibigan din? Oo.
Sakit na siya namin tisa ako mo sa video niya na.
Okay, VJ, please answer this question. Please stand up.
Di ba kami friends?
How can this everyone? Quiet. How can this education empower individuals to challenge justice and advocates for change in the community.
Matanong mo English.
Please go again.
I think this education helps empower the individuals by
My God. Raise your hand lang.
all a friend mo.
Call a friend, yes.
Okay, my own understanding, ma'am, on how to advocate for change in the community, we can use the unethical education for us to gain or build the standards in the community, for us to sustain the to sustain the peace in the community and the development in how we can apply our attitude, skills, and knowledge.
Perfect. Let's give big claps. Okay, to sum up, our topic is all about peace education. And what is peace and why educate for peace? It means we should lahat ng ating mga decision, all our decision should be in a holistic approach in which na hindi lamang tayo, hindi lamang sa sarili natin meron tayong benepisyo makukuha. Magiging yes, Jessica, magiging sa ating kapwa, meron din sila makukunan, may benepisyo rin sila makukuha din, at saka sa ating community mismo ay meron tayong may maliabal. Yes? So that is the rule of peace education in terms of developing ourselves, others, and within our societies.
Through peace education, it helps us or it is a very basis para malaman natin kung ano yung mga dapat natin gawin. So, through peace education, nakaitigis natin na doon yung mga etika na mga bagay na nakakaulan natin pa sa community o sa mga tao na
Yes, Bia, ano yung sinabi ni Josa at Arya na yung sinabi ni Josa?
In order to achieve peace, ma'am, we should achieve we should get help. Yeah, in order to achieve peace, ma'am, we should to educate ourselves, not just for ourselves, but also for the sake of other people. So we should follow what is the ethical consideration of you said earlier, ma'am, so that we can achieve peace, camaraderie, and to eradicate violence and injustices.
Yes, Arya.
Of course, now we need to be mindful about peace. We need to be educated in order for us to, to act with accordance of, in order for us to act to avoid violence. That's it. Ma'am, may question ako sa inyong report.
Okay, Arya. What is your question?
Your own understanding,
Yes, what it is?
how are you going to solve the problems that we are facing right now, most especially with China?
Okay. Let's not find our part.
No.
That's our dapat sa China, dapat nakasentro pa rin sa kanila. Hindi kasi natin na-blame yung kanilang
Speak
system.
English, ma'am, because you're challenging us.
We can blame the Chinese people by the system because it is very different in the Philippines. Chinese is they are more practical in terms of their industries, while as Filipino is even though we are not highly capable of what we call peace education, is more of their business, paano siya
So, how are you going to solve that
maging
one?
So for me,
No.
we can solve that one in making our ano siguro, we can influence them because of the system they have. But for me, we can create or we can have promote peace education in terms of their system through hindi naman sa 100%. We can influence them 100%, but we can influence them of what we have in our education system para sa kanilang
What
system.
if they are going to accept it?
So, we can force them to accept our system because in every country they have different systems.
So how can that be peace?
So we can achieve peace first, of course, for ourselves muna. And second, we can influence others for peace. So pag mismo sa sarili natin wala tayong peace, right?
Yeah.
So first
Yeah.
step is we should learn peace muna to ourselves. Then before we will influence others for the peace that we have, and we need to action by them also. Right?
Yes.
Now we are taking all the best steps in order for us, to achieve that what we
Yes, Aryan, please stand up.
No, you are the one. I'm going to ask your answer because it's very vague.
Okay, hindi ko naman siguro kaya pa-reach kung anong gusto
No,
ko.
speak English, ma'am.
Okay, I can reach. Okay, perfect. So do you understand what is the concept of peace education?
Yes!
Yes or yes?
Yes!
Okay, let's have our assessment. But our assessment is kayo pa rin yung sa ginagawa natin. Yung tatlong, dito na group 1 and 2 is yung sa group 1 at saka yung sa last group ay yung group 2, okay? So mag-uunahan tayo sa pagsagot ng 3 lang na items dito sa aming assessment. Pero para meron tayong score for today's report. Okay, sino ang unang sasagot sa group 1?
Yan.
Aryan at sa group 2? Alex, okay? Let's read the question number 1.
Ibigyan mo mag-answer. This or first?
Ay, sige, 1, 2, 3, go!
Hindi ako
Cultivate the knowledge, traits, skills, attitudes, and values.
A. Spirituality. B. Imperative. C. Peace education. D. Sustainable development. One, ang sinabi kong go doon ka taas. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Go! Okay. Level number. Si Alex ang mauna for ikaw. Alex, ano yung favorite
My God.
First, cultivate the knowledge, basic skills, attitude, and values. Peace education.
Yes. Perfect. Meron na 1 point na. Next, sino ang mag-answer? From 1? Yes. Sige. PJ, group 2. Sino ang mag-answer group 2? Sige. Okay, everyone, please read the question number 2.
What are the skills that resonate adultery and with empathy?
A. Communication. B. Decision making. C. Group building. D. Empathy. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Go! Wala ka bukit ka bawi. Yes, Tim.
So for us, so the type of skills that we need
What is your answer? Why? A. Communication.
Wrong.
Tama?
Tama.
Tama mali. Tama. Yes. Last question. Sino mag-answer group 1? Yes, Irish. It is the ability to approach the issue of Filipino. Sabay niyo yung Filipino, please. It is the ability to approach the issue with an open but critical mind. A. Reflection. B. Conflict resolution. communication, C, empathy, D, critical thinking, and analysis. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Yes, Ashley.
D, ma'am.
D? Tama. Critical thinking. So, the next yun na class. Sige. Now, let's proceed to the next reporter.
Now,